Upon receipt, place the product on a flat location, climb onto the platform, open the guardrail, and lock the guardrail with the safety catch. Link the platform controller power supply. Put the joystick, turn on the emergency stop button. Twist the key to the left for platform controller. Twist to the right to select ground controller. Climb up to the platform after selecting platform controller. Turn on the emergency brake button. Platform lift control. Handle push forward to raise the platform. Pull back to lower the platform. Hold the left button to turn left. Hold the right button to turn right. Driving function button. The handle pushes forward to go forward and pulls back to go backward. Press the platform extension release pedal located on the platform toe plate. Grasp the platform guardrail and carefully push the platform so that it extends to the middle. Toggle up button, platform rises. Toggle down button, platform descends. When equipment is being serviced and repaired, the safety service support bar is held up.